This is part 3 of my hybrid rolling ball clock series. In this video, we'll take a look at the timekeeping section of the clock. The timekeeping is performed by a total of 28 steel balls. There are 26 balls that fill the hours, minutes times 10, and minutes trays, one ball that acts as a triggering device, and one ball that circulates around the seconds counter. The clock currently reads 12:59. I'll turn the clock on and you'll see the triggering ball begin to be lifted here. That triggering ball will release all of these balls to the recycling tray. One ball remains here at the 1 o'clock position. It never moves, so it's a permanent fixture. Let's take a look at how all that happened. I've removed the hours and minutes times 10 trays so you can see the secrets of these ramps. All of the trays contain two rocking mechanisms. One acts as a switch or a diverter, and the other acts as a gate. When a tray is filled, the final ball rests on the diverter, tipping it up, causing the next ball to follow a different path. It's just like a switch on a train track. The diverted ball causes the gate to tip open, releasing all of the balls from the tray to this recycling tower. The diverted ball then waits until it is picked up by the elevator to be delivered to the next tray. When the ball moves onto the elevator, the counterweight on the gate tips the gate back down to close it again. The balls stack up in this bottom tray, waiting to be picked up by the minutes elevator. I've manually added balls to the tray just to show exactly what happens when the trigger ball comes down. There it's picked up by the elevator and goes up to the next tray. This counterweight holds the ball in position on the lower tray. When the elevator descends, it pushes the counterweight out of the weight and picks up the next ball. The remaining balls are held back by this fork. The fork raises with the elevator, allowing the next ball to move down against the counterweight stop. This cycle repeats every minute. Let's take a look. The last part of the timekeeping system is the seconds counter. It uses just a single ball that recirculates. The ball is moved along by this elevator. The tab on the top of the elevator makes contact with a set of sliding stairs. The stairs slide back and forth along the path of the elevator between two fixed stairs. The sliding stairs lift the ball up where it settles on top of the fixed pair. When it reaches the top, it rolls back down to the bottom where the process starts all over again. Well, I hope this clears up the mysteries of the timekeeping section. The next video will detail the chiming section of the clock. That's a little more complicated.